Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we have Trainual, and this is the best employee onboarding and training software. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get the extended free trial. As well, you can get your exclusive benefits and rewards. Now as you can see, we are on the dashboard. You know how much of the hassle it is to manage employees, and this is going to be making the best solution for that issue. Now you can choose to start with a template or import some documents for your employees or start from scratch. So let's say I want to choose a template. It is going to be providing me some options to choose from, like for example, performance improvement plan, customer escalation processes, facilitating performance evaluation, and much more. So the list even goes on onto the pages as well. So let's say I want performance improvement. Click on preview and it will be showing you an overview of how it works. Now you can choose to add this template and choose add performance improvement plan. Like for example, if you want it for company or policies, then you are going to be assigning the owner, and then click on add template, and then template is added. Now you can modify it, and you can see you can choose to drag these options according to how you like. So this is the subject outline for this template that you are going to be adding the content on. You can even add more options in here. So this have the smart outline feature, using which it uses AI to incorporate different goals and the identifications. Now if you head back to dashboard again, or the home page, you will be able to see the people section. Here you can add your people directory. So you can see currently only I am added. I'm going to be adding a teammate using this option. So of course employee management would be much easier using this. You can see the options, like for example delegations, reports, and the subject reports that is going to be added in here, and finally your account. So quite nice interface, easy to use, and very amazing. If we head over to the reviews for this platform, you will see something really good, like for example consistent training unlocked, great solutions for small businesses, great tool for your team, intuitive learning management system, so on and so forth. So make sure to head over to the link in the description, using which you can easily get your extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Also, do not forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.